everyone, it's me DJ Diwata and once again welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog, I will be reacting to I Don't Want to Wait cover song of Mission Souls, published 3 weeks ago with 19,400 views. I'm so excited to this cover song kasi I'm not familiar to this song. So what I did is, syempre, nag-research na naman si DJP para naman ma-idea ako kung sino ba yung singer at kung ano ba yung kanta, okay? So, ayan, ang ganda pala ng music na ito. It was published way back 1990s. So, ayan, pakinggan na natin ang cover song kasi alam naman natin kapag mga 80s, 90s, or even 20th generation Mami Sheena, sisiw lang yan. Kaya let's go, pakinggan na natin. Excited na ako.
So open up your morning light, say a little prayer for I, you know that.
Sabi na nga be, ang sweetness ng voice ni Mami Sheena. Ganda na timing ni Aiza. Para ako nakikinig ng ng foreigner na singer. Grabe ang blending ng voices ni Mami at saka ni Stacy. Look at that, feel. Wow, Mami Sheena, you really shine. Galing po ni Mami yan. Nagtala ko kay Felicia. Grabe ang sweet ng cover na ako. cover song is really, really sweet. I love it. What a great performance, Mission Souls. Talagang sobra ako na-miss dito sa performance na to. Why? Kasi aside from the sweetness and charming voice of Stacey, talagang she really stand out dito sa cover song nito. Kasi talagang kung mapapansin natin, may pagka-adult na yung voice ni Stacey dito. Parang hindi isang bata ang pinakikinggan ko, okay? And of course, the powerful voice of Mami Sheena, no? Sobrang galing. Sobra kong appreciate yung how do I say this? Pagka parang easy lang sa kanya yung pagkanta, no? Kung mapapansin natin talagang napaka-soulful and napakalinis sa kanyang pagkakakanta. Para ka nakikinig talaga sa isang foreigner na musician. And of course, ang ating napakagaling na rockstar princess na si Neisha, talagang lang siya dito, how do I say this? Sobrang cool, sobrang simple, pero masasabi nating orako, diba? And of course, si Nases, ang ating napaka ganda na keyboardist. Nagpakitang galing din dito, and sobrang easy lang din sa kanya, pero kuhang-kuha niya. Kung pinakinggan ko kasi yung original version, and the original version hindi magpapahuli ang Mission Souls, and of course yung titigan ni Daddy Second, yung eye-to-eye contact ni Daddy Second at saka ni Ice. Sobra ko na-appreciate yun si Daddy Second. Napapapikit siya, talagang feel niya yung voices ng kanyang mag-ina, o diba? And of course, ang ating little drummer boy na si Ice, masasabi natin na talagang hindi nagpahuli dito, although medyo para nag-i-slide yung kanyang dito sa drums, pero ang masasabi natin, dalang-dala niya, o diba? Okay, ayan, ayun, no, diba? Pinakikinggan ko ilang beses ko pinuulit-ulit yung kantang ito, yung performance nito habang nagagawa ako ng yung pinaka-review natin, and nag-i-slide man yung kanyang pagpalo dun sa bass ng drums niya, pero carry lang ni Ice, diba? Ang galing. So, I love this family band, okay? So, ayan na pang masasabi natin, kung hindi great performance, kung kaya kong bigyan ng only thumbs up, yun na ibibigay ko sa inyo, Mission Souls. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na po if minsan is talagang naghahagilap ako ng kung ano yung pwede kong sabihin, kasi I'm running out of words dito sa ganda ng mga performance ng Mission Souls. Kinukulang ako ng adjectives na pwede kong describe para sa ating pinakamamahal na Mission Souls. So, okay. So, ayan, if you want to enjoy more of the cover songs from our very own Mission Souls, please don't forget to subscribe. Mission Souls, ayan, ang dami nyo madi-discover na mga musicians and music na talagang ginagawa nila, napakagandang cover song. Okay, so ayan, if you enjoyed watching this reaction video, please don't forget to give your thumbs up, and if you're just new on my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the tiny bell button, all notification bell, to get notified on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe also ang aking DGP Israel. Ayan, okay, so ayan, bye bye everyone, hope to see you again on my next vlog, and always remember that music is life and life is all without music, because music is one of the closest things to a time machine. It brings us back to the memories of yesteryears. Bye bye everyone. I love you all.